this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. This is Shoo Loong Lan Zhou La Mian. And this is, I guess, like one of the most popular beef noodle soups in China. At least Lan Zhou is. I don't know about this particular brand, but this is pretty cool. I got this at Asian Family Market on Lunar New Year's Eve 2023. Although I think putting it that way doesn't make sense. But you know what I mean. The year of the water rabbit. Got some straight noodle that's going in. The instructions are a little not too specific on the amount of water to use for a broth per se. So I'm just gonna wing it. It says 4 minutes on this, so I'm gonna give it the 4 minutes. Oh, I don't want 70 here. There you go. And there we go. Whoa. There we go. So how goes it? Just got back from taking dog outside. Dog did good. I walked dog a lot. Dog produced dog production, which is exactly what we were shooting for. So you put the sachets in there to warm, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, man, what a perfect walking day for me, at least. It's nice and cloudy. I really like that. Don't spill over. It's too late. And yeah, so a good day thus far. I'll take it. I'll try to get these sachets out now. Come on, get out of there. There's one that's been heated. I'm trying to get just the sachet out, not the noodle. And not burn the heck out of myself as I do so. So here we go. You know, I think my initial thoughts on a bowl, I think I'm going to go with that. Why not? It's today. This new organizationality that I've done with the bowls, I'm pretty happy with. Everything's in it easily accessed. So I'm going to use this one. It's kind of shallow, but from what I've seen online, it sure looks like Lan Zhou noodle really doesn't have a lot of broth. A little bit of broth, not a lot. The bummer today is that I don't have any beef and I don't have any coriander, which are both things that you often see in this particular style noodle. So that's kind of a bummer, but I think we're going to do just fine. I'm going to try to crank 3 reviews out as soon as I can and maybe go out and do some walking. Went to... where did I walk to yesterday? I went to the dollar store and a place called Grocery Outlet. It's basically like a cheap food place. Anyways, if you're looking for canned nacho cheese sauce, boy, that's the place to go. I've seen a lot of canned nacho cheese sauce yesterday. What else did they have? They had like 5 different brands of nacho cheese sauce. It's just like, what are you going to do with all that nacho cheese? I don't know, but hopefully you enjoy nacho cheese if you do end up going there, because you will find nacho cheese to no end. I don't know. I enjoy like nacho cheese on the odd stale chip once in a blue moon. Generally, when you see that canned stuff, It's like the stuff you get at the convenience store, like 7-Eleven nachos. They're no good. You know it. I know it. But they do serve a purpose in the universe. So, yeah. But that kind of cheese, usually that they use, comes in a bag. And it's funky. It be funky. Oh boy, let me tell you. Okay, so we're not going to have a lot of broth in here, and we already have too much broth in here. So we are going to cull some of the broth right now. So let's drain off a little bit of this. I think that's probably good. Perfecto. I think that'll still fit in there. We'll find out. So let's add the liquid. Sachet 1. There's that. Liquid sachet 2. We'll add thusly with a plum. We have some fine vegetables, which probably are going to be coriander, is my guess. I don't know, there's a lot of greenery going on. That should hydrate pretty easily. And then we've got a powder-based sachet. I hope I'm doing this right. It literally says, like, cook your noodles and add an appropriate amount of water and put everything together and bada bing, bada boom. So I'm hoping I'm acting in an appropriate and adult manner at this point. I really don't know about that. We shall see. But the last time I had a Lanzhou or Lanzhou, it's probably Long, isn't it? Lanzhou noodle. It was really quite good. So let's hope. There's the noodle. It does have a nice chili oil kind of scent to it. Mmm. Mmm. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That is everything I've read about it. Kind of a clear broth. There's your chili dancing around. Got here. Might be a little pepper. Yep. All right. With a little more water, I think that would do the ticket. I think that's what it does need, is a little more water. It's really strong at this point, but it's good. It's quite good. So let's one thing they mention about this too is an ample amount of noodles. Oh, the serving of noodles is great. Let's see if I can do some kind of action here. It's a lot of noodle. I think this will work. I think this is what I'm looking for, folks. I just don't have the beef. I'm beefless. And this is every picture I saw had beef. It looks like an absolute. I want to go to China. I do. I will not mince words. I want to go to China. So you want to go to China? Well, there's a lot to that, you know. Yeah, I know. There's a whole lot to that. That's not an easy feat, but it can be done. It can. But as with every other place I've gone to, I wouldn't be able to afford it. Companies have brought me over. So someday maybe there'll be a Japanese or a Chinese or a Japanese company that wants to bring me to either of those respective wonderful places and allow me the privilege of learning about their country and its culture. It's been a while. Whoa, this thing wants to tip over. Well, rotate. Yummy stuff. Yeah, nice. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see, which will come out tomorrow, will be this. This is Marachon Gold soy sauce flavor. It's been a while. I'm slowly getting through stuff that'll happen to end up being a Meet the Manufacturer series of Marachon products. That will come later this year, hopefully. So, yeah, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.